Hi, welcome to the scrapyard. I'm Red. Um, just a scrapyard kind of looks like a scrapyard today. I finally over overcome my procrastination and fixed the FTP sheet on my printer. But you see, I tried to print out some of these motorcycle wheels in 1/25th scale, and the detail on them is just too fine. I got 6, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21 failures, and where did they go? Oh, yeah, here they are. 3 kinda successful prints. But I don't think I'll be using these. But oh well, there's an idea. I wanted to get something that was a little bit finer than the kids folks. Anyway, I got mail calls today. Shop card shout out. Got shout out to RKD Scale Works, and I really like that 37 Ford box art build he did. Um, he's a really nice guy. I mean, you need to check him out. Some really nice words on the back, man. He's all around good guy. If you haven't checked him out, you need to go check him out now. Help him out, man. Like he needs subscribers just like all of us, man, right? But anyway, I've been playing with my printer. I haven't really got much done. Like I said, messing around with these aggravating motorcycle wheels that I almost make. If you want any of this crap, man, send me postage. I'll send it to you. These wheels. Did print out some decent jerry cans. I scaled them up from 1/35. They came out all right. But the main thing I was after this though was a magneto for the dragster. I've made a little bit of progress on the dragster. I've wired the ignition. Let me set this down somewhere. If I can move this camera around, maybe you can see a little better. Focus on it. This thing don't have any focus, fixed focus, and really can't get much detail. But anyway, gotten some work done on this. Not much. I still got to finish sanding the body and get a color coat on it. But I did get the injection system on it. That's the interlead box injection with the small unit. Had to cut down the larger 2 butterfly unit to make that. I got to plumb all that up. Um, Scratch built just a representation of a mechanical fuel pump. Um, might get my pulley system for my belt drive. I was really wanting to have like a 5 little narrow V belt drive, but it's going to have to be like just a 2-inch drive or something. Um, I think that's going to look all right. I got to go back and touch up, do a few things. Of course, it's just going to have zoomy type areas, but I got a little bit done on it, not that much. Some stash ads. I got this, and I was glad to get it, and I mean, I've been looking just for a while. I knew it was out there at a cheap price, and I finally found it. I found it on an auction site. I think I ended up like $9 plus shipping. The shipping was more than the kit was. I wanted this particular version because I want this Coke box. I realized I'd like to have two or three of them because yeah, this Coke box right here. I'm sorry I didn't keep it in frame very well. The reason is, back in the late '80s and early '90s, it was a thing to take these Coke boxes and other drink boxes that are the same size and make a luggage trailer for your street rod out of it. Uh, every bit as cool as, almost as cool as a bumper car. I mean, it's according to what you have your cooler branded up as. I mean, I'd like to see one with an old school Mountain Dew, with the hillbilly with the shooting the cork through his hat. But anyway, there's that, and I got this thing here, another one from Ravel's era of everything opens and nothing closes. Um, this is all here. Matter of fact, we'll do an unboxing at some point on this. Do a what's in the stash. Um, Compare it with the other two. I got other two Chevys from that era that I have. But that's about it for me. Oh, I had a little technique demonstration. I just happened to think of because I was needing a tool, and that's why I made a tool. But everybody needs some of this. It doesn't have to be Elmer's. It can be Uhu. It can be any of them. The glue stick. And everybody needs a glue stick in their in their in their tools, man. Because one thing you can do with this is you can take one of these and you do it like it right there, and you stick it on there like it right there. You see where I'm going with this. What do I do with my? There's one. Then you take your little Sharpie and you write whatever your grid is on there. This is 800. And there you go. You flip it over and do the other side as well. Right? Alright. If you need something flexible, you grab you a piece of sheet styrene. I don't know what size this is. It feels like it's like 30 thousandths maybe. It's thicker, on the thicker side, but it's not real thick. Let's see. Yeah, it's counting the burr. Let's say it's 1 millimeter thick, so that makes it 40 thousandths. It's 40 thousandths, right? All right. You take that. This will stick to it, even though it isn't solvent. I should have scraped the edge down first, so, but I'm just doing for expediency's sake. I'm just showing you, right? All right. And now, crap. Of course, it didn't dry as quick as it does on the wood, but let it dry, and it will, because it's it's a paste. It's not. Probably do better if you sand the plastic a little bit first. So I got in a hurry thinking about this, and you think it all the way through, and it's been like 35 years since I really done this kind of thing, right? All right. But anyway, you get it glued on there, and then you have a flexible sanding stick, right? And you saved how many dollars, man, by using some crap you already had laying around instead of ordering a set of sanding files from whichever manufacturer it is. Uh, so there's that, man. There's a technique, whatever you want to call it. Oh, and Tony Nancy must have been a giant, man. Hell, he scales out. He scales out like 6'4". uh, but I don't know. He might be. They might be the Herman Monster in them drag boots. Man, I got to get him up. Get him up. He actually went together pretty good. What you got to do is on something like this, you start at the top, the part that's going to show the most, and you work it a little bit at a time, and and tweak it as you go. This arm was separate. It it still don't look quite right, but it took some work to get it looking human. um, this actually isn't that bad, man, as far as this sort of figure goes. I see. So the way you work it all out, man, you always end up with bad feet. But feet, I don't know what it is about feet are hard to mold or something. I mean, are hard to sculpt in two pieces or something. But I'll come back with some filler and stuff, and after I prime it, I'll see more about how I need to clean the edge up. But been a long time since I've done any figures too. But I'd kind of like to take and retexture his hair. I may do that. I have a soldering iron that I can actually set the temperature on, and it has like a half a dozen tips with it. I had to look into that and see what it's doing. I used to do that with all the time with a wood burning. They had like to change the tips. But anyway, that's it for me. As always, like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you want a shop card, my email's in the description. Um, y'all have a good week, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.